Hello, sisters. Happy Friday. So yesterday I attended the W community live session, and the theme was passion to profit, hosted by Mrs. Ifeoluwa. Okay, and also we had two speakers, the lady MC and Adogon Jollof, and honestly, I learned a whole lot of things, and I'm going to be sharing some of my take-home notes, okay, in real time. So, point number one. So, I'm going to be reading from my book. It says, "People won't believe in you until they see the value that you have to offer." Like, wow, and that is true. If people are when maybe let's say for instance you have a new dream, people will not really buy into the other. People will not really care about that dream, but the moment you start to bring value, then they start to take you seriously. They start to take the dream, they start to take the goal seriously. Point number two, always speak word of affirmation to yourself. Like she explained that there are phases in business. Okay, there'll be the good time and there'll be the bad time. So when it gets to the bad time, the part that you've forgotten who you were in the past, you've forgotten your achievements, remind yourself, speak word of affirmation to yourself that, hey, I am this, I am very intelligent, I am business oriented, I've got this, I've done this in the past, and I'm still going to do it, and I'm going to be better. So it's very, very important that as a business owner, you say words of affirmation to yourself. The next one says show up and show out. As a business owner, nobody will help you make noise about your business than yourself. And now when you're showing up, be careful. You're not just showing unnecessary things. You have to show out, show things that says that your business is all about value and value alone. And another point is be authentic. Okay, you don't have to put yourself in unnecessary pressure. Just be yourself while you're doing your business. Don't be careful about trends and all that. Don't put unnecessary pressure on yourself. Just be authentic, be real, be the real you. Let people see you for who you are, and let who are going to like you or are going to love you for who you are, not something they think you are. So another point, this one is like my favorite. Like I get emotional anytime I go to this point, and it says there will be people who won't believe in your dream. There will be people who won't believe in you, who won't believe in your passion, who won't believe in your dreams. But under no circumstance should you ever be among them. Like I so much love this point. Like why? If everybody does not believe in you, and you yourself you don't believe in yourself, then there's nothing. So you have to believe in yourself, no matter what. If people tell you no, 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 just keep telling yourself yes, yes, and yes, and you'll be there. So another point says there are phases in business. There are the good times and the bad times. So when it gets to the bad time, free yourself, allow yourself to be emotional. If that's what it takes to move you past the stage, if you need to cry, cry it out. And once you cry, dust your wipe your face and move on. Take actions that are going to make your business that are going to take your business to the next level. So another point is study the pattern of your business. Move with the flow, okay? Don't just stay in one place. Study the pattern. Know when it's going like this, when it's going that. So follow the trends of your business. So another point is do not this one, do not attach your self-esteem to your business. This is very, very important. I think I've been doing this of lately, but from that yesterday, I decided that I am not going to attach my self-esteem to my business. Like this is in the sense that if people are saying, "Oh, your business is this, your business is that," just don't let that negative review wear you down. Rather, attach it to your business and think about how you are going to sort this, how you are going to use that review to make your business better. So don't condemn yourself because of, oh, someone said your brand is this and this and this and this, and now you are now using the reviews for the brand to now judge yourself as a personality or as a person. So always separate your self-esteem from your business. I really, 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 really love that point. So another point, involve God in every step of your business. See, you cannot survive in this life without this. You need God, you need guidance from God to grow your business. You need guidance from God to take certain decisions. Don't just make decisions because okay, everybody say they are doing this or everybody say this is this. Involve God. What works for A might not work for B. So you need to speak with your curator. You need to speak with yourself and God to know if the decision you want to take will definitely work for your business. Okay. And this point, it says it is okay to start charging less when you're just starting. But when it gets to the point where you wait and you see that okay, you need to start charging your actual worth, It's okay if some people do not care, or some people cannot move on with you. Okay, for sure, people who understand what you bring to the table would definitely go with you. And this is what we are currently facing at the Women's Groups Up. Okay, we recently reviewed prices, and I've seen a lot of people like, it's expensive because they are used to, the common with normal low fees. But then it's just time. It's time for us to step up our game. It's time for us to, go higher. That dream that I have for Women's Groups Up, it's time for me to pursue that dream. And for me to do that, I just have to step up the fee a little bit. So if you are seeing this video right now and you feel like, oh, Coach Cherry is not charging too much, Coach Cherry is doing it, just understand that it is part of the growth process. And of course, we deliver. You know that any day, anytime, what we give is 100% value. So please understand with us. And I think that's all about all the points that I listed. I think she mentioned that she's going to be uploading some of the video on their YouTube channel. So if I see the video, if you're interested, please let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to go and get the link, or just I'll alert everybody in the comment section that the videos are now on the YouTube channel. So see you. Thank you for staying till the end. Ciao ciao.